guys, what's up? It's Lennon Tay coming to you today with another video. Today's video, I am going to show you guys how to start your YouTube channel on a budget. Lighting is literally everything. And honestly, if you do not have this equipment, or you literally like have no money and you just have a phone, you literally can have your phone, stack books on top of each other, and use sunlight, which is what I used to do before I upgraded to lamp lights. And then now I have umbrella lights, but they still are very cheap umbrella lights. So if you guys don't have any money and you just have your phone, you can still use your phone. Like, daylight is literally the best light. So if you don't have any money but you have a phone, you still can record everything from my backdrop to my lighting to my tripod to my recording device to everything. It's on a budget. So if you guys want to check it out, then go ahead and continue watching. I'm kind of excited to show you. It's a little ghetto, I'm not even gonna lie, but it gets the job done. Okay, do not knock it until you try it. Okay, boo boo, don't knock it till you try it. Okay guys, so this is basically the little corner that I work from. Here's the bed, edge of the bed, and here's the edge of a dresser, and this is the corner that I work from. So what we have right there is the tripod. It is a 60-inch tripod, and I literally just invested in this tripod. Tripod right here is the first thing that I'm going to show you guys. Right now it is lower, not stretched all the way to as tall as it can go. This tripod is very good quality. You can exchange anything out on the top. So right now I have my iPad holder, so I record my iPad. The tripod is 60 inches. Okay guys, next I'm going to talk about lighting. I use these 3 clamp lights that I got from Walmart for about $4 a piece. The light bulb did not come with the 2 first ones, but the light bulb is really the key. It's about, I think it's a 16-watt light bulb. It's pretty heavy in size, but this light bulb lighting is super bright, and it makes up for it being a cheap light. So I just bought those separately, and then I placed those into the clamp lights that I bought from Walmart. So the first 2 lightings, including the light bulb, was about $10, and the third light is separate. I got that light first because I really didn't know any better. That's the like fluorescent light. Always make sure you get daylight light bulbs because it resembles daylight better. Do not get the yellow light. So the third lamp that I showed you, just disregard that one because that's an old one. It's outdated. It's not good lighting. And right here is just an old chair that I use, like a church chair. That's what a lot of people call it. Next is the backdrop. So the backdrop, I got that for Walmart. I get the 2 yards for the backdrop, so it's literally in the fabric section in Walmart. They have a whole bunch of different colors and different things that you can use, and I just use thumbtacks to press it in on every corner. That way it's secure, and I just kind of stack them on top of each other. That way, whichever one I want to use, I can take one down and put it all up, and I kind of just keep it there. It's just a lot easier instead of having to keep pushing new holes into the wall and finding new places to put it, and just, you know, having the wrong angle and it's just not lining up right. So once I found the right angle, I kind of just leave everything there. But yes, so 2 fabrics, well, 1 fabric costs us like $3 or $4. You can get 1 yard for like $2 if you want, but I like to get the 2 yards, so it's about $4. Okay, I just want to give you guys the front and the back view of how it looks when I am recording. I do put a mirror right there since I'm not using a regular camera, so I can't see what I look like from the front. So I set that mirror on something, that way I'm able to see myself and focus myself from the phone camera that I'm using, or the iPad camera that I'm using. So what I do is I clamp one light on both sides of the tripod and focus it on me. And again, the light is super bright. And then I will have the iPad right there where the iPad holder is, with, of course, recording with the back camera. Since it's a lot of things that are going to be plugged in together, I do use an extension cord to plug everything in. But yes, so it would shine directly on to the backdrop, and this is where I would sit. And as you can see, the lights show super bright. Sometimes I do cut that front light on. It gives it it tones it down and gives it more of a warm look. But for the most part, I keep that off, or I just have that front lamp to the side. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looks with the two lightings directly on me against the backdrop. The lighting is not bad, okay? It is worth that little $10 that you're gonna spend, and it is a great investment. Umbrella light wear, sis. Ring light wear, sis. And thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. If you guys like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up and look out for the next videos of how to record on a budget. Love you guys. Mwah.